Just listed today and opened Sunday 1 to 4. Brand new interior. From the new wood-look tile flooring to the new 10-feet ceilings. New cabinets, new appliances, new bathrooms, new wet bar with wine cooler and new open floor plan also. This special garden unit lives like a villa with a new brick paver extended outdoor lanai featuring private gated access directly to the beach and 2 garage parking spaces. All units in the entire building have impact glass and water cop leak detection systems. The amenities rival the newest beach buildings with 24-hour man lobby entry, large package storage, convenient dog park, tennis courts, kayak and canoe storage racks, poolside gas grilling stations, covered poolside tiki bar with fridge and ice maker. Freeform heated pool is surrounded by a coral-style cool deck, large heated spa, poolside gas fireplace and a special elevated sun deck to view the Gulf of Mexico. Also a newly redone fitness center with a full-size steam room, fabulous social room with a wet bar, large TV, piano, pool table, dance floor and a giant well-equipped kitchen with dishes, glassware and an assortment of colorful linens. Call me for a complete tour of this fabulous building.